Hello guys! For today's video, gawa muna tayo ng vegetables in rice paper rolls. Sobrang sarap nito guys, and pause to see the ingredients. So first, let's prepare the egg. Pwede nyo ring samahan ng hotdog ito guys. Or pwede na rin yung samahan ng crab sticks, depende na talaga sa inyo yun guys. Just add salt and pepper and fry it. So after that one, let's prepare the cucumber. Tanggalin natin yung seeds ng cucumber guys. Yung carrots naman, peel and cut into strips lang. Since andito na lahat ng ingredients, turuan ko kayo how you prepare the rice paper rolls. Dip nyo lang sa plain water guys for 10 seconds, wag nang sumobra. Ihilera lang natin yung ating mga ingredients sa rice paper and roll it. Ang sarap nito guys at sure na magugustuhan ng mga anak niyo. Full video guys available sa page ko, hanapin nyo lang. And that's it for today food series. Hello guys!